Kamakailan lamang ay ibinahagi ni Atty. Fortune na nahack ang kanyang Facebook page kung saan ilan sa mga impormasyon na naglalaman sa issue ng Family Yulo ang kanyang ibinahagi. Paliwanag ni Atty. Fortune to the public at a little past 10:30 p.m. of Sunday, August 18, 2024, an unknown individuals gained access to my Facebook account and was able to scroll through certain sensitive conversations I have with the Yulo family on Facebook Messenger. It is regrettable that certain facts appear to have been divulged to the public. I have reset the password to my Facebook accounts to deter similar incidents from occurring. I am also taking current steps to determine the identities of the perpetrators. Thank you. Narito po ang nasabing update. On August 3 and 4, 2024, the son brought honor to his country. From August 4 to August 13, the father makes more than 20 calls to speak to the son. All were ignored, not a single call returned. On August 14, the son joins a parade and makes a post on Facebook. Kita kits, he says to his dad. After 4 days, no reunion, not even a single phone call or text to any member of his family as of 10 a.m. of August 18. Ilang mga netizen naman mula sa post ng Fashion Police nang i-update nila nito, ang tila hindi naniniwala sa excuse ni Atty. Fortune na nahack ang kanyang Facebook. Narito naman ang naging mensahe ng mga netizen mula sa Fashion Police Anonymous Commentator. Diyan ang ating Showbiz Snap update. Patuloy lang po pumutok for more Showbiz update. Thank you for watching. Images are all ready to the rightful owners.